Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Cleo. How wanna do? Wanna good? I hope I keep safe, I wanna keep hydrated, alright? That time hot bad. Anyway guys, today on my channel I'm going to be making, as you guys can see, you have an idea. I'm going to be making a seafood boil here today. I have some smoked sausage there, corn. I have some powdered season that I'm going to be needing, smoked paprika, some Cajun seasoning, Old Bay of course. I have some black pepper, some lemon pepper. I have some Sazon all-purpose, my Maggi, they're all there, and I have my crab boil here. I have in here some onion and garlic and ginger. I have a bouillon too that I'm going to put in here as well to make up my sauce, and I also have pepper. You know I like spice by now. I have some baby potatoes here that I'll be using as well, and I have some snow crab legs here, and I have some crab paws as well, and some shrimp. So I'm going to clean them up guys. I'm going to wash them properly, clean them up, and use my vegetable brush to clean them also. Alright, so I'll see you back then. So guys, I'm using some shrimp, as you can see. They're not clean yet, so I'm gonna just use a fork to just vein them. See that? I'm not going to do all of them on camera guys, I'm just showing you what to do if you need to do it like this, because I want to cook my shrimp with the shell on, so it's the reason why I'm doing that. Alright guys, I'm finishing my shrimp, so I'm just going to clean up guys, so clean it up as well. A vegetable brush guys, bought it at the dollar store. Guys, I'm making this for myself because I'm the only one here, and I'm the only one who eat these things. Sorry. There it is guys, just finished cleaning them up. I'm going to rinse them off again with some vinegar of course. All clean, okay? I'm going to get onto my sauce now guys. Putting in my garlic and ginger and onion. I'm going to put some more garlic in it. Have some crush on here. I'm just going to pour it in. To have a nice garlic taste guys. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead now and put all my seasoning here. Okay, I already show you, and I already told you what I'm using there. Go ahead with some water. And I'm going to go in with some sugar. I want mine to have a spicy kick, so I'm going in some crushed pepper. always a mid from yours. Guys, this is something that I like. I'm gonna put a little thyme in mine. You don't have to if you don't want to, okay? But to give it some nice flavor. Also going to put some lemon juice in it. And guys, I did use a medium onion in this. Cut it up fine, but not very fine. So guys, this is what I like to do. I like to cook my shrimp and my sausage in the sauce. Okay. This is just my way of doing mine. You can do it the way you like it, alright? Guys, I'm putting in some lemon. Turn this off now, and I can concentrate on my oil. I'm going in with a tablespoon of my Maggi all-purpose in my water. I'm going with some Old Bay. Black pepper, some all-purpose, first guys, we're looking for a flavor here. I'm gonna go in with my crab oil. Going in my crab oil now. Remember now guys, I'm not doing a lot, so I don't have to use the whole pack. Using some baby potato. See? I'm gonna go with my eggs. My corn. That's my pepper, guys. I like a little spice. I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and add a little more lemon pepper in it. Okay? It's nice. Put as much seasoning you want to put in it. You know, make it yours. Your kitchen, it's your food, you're going to eat it, do what you want. Okay, so I'm putting in the crab claws, guys. If you have to do more, just use a bigger pot, okay? And just tuck it in. Guys, see you back soon. Remember guys to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Please hit that thumbs up button, guys. That's a like button. Please hit it, guys, and just leave a comment, you know. Support the channel, support the video. Thank you. These guys, I'll put my shrimp and my sausage. Guys for watching. Remember to turn your post notification on so you'll be notified each time I do upload another delicious dish.